Welcome to problem number 12. Find the units digit of 7 to the 2025th power. Let's track only the last digit. Let's start with 7 raised to the first power. We know that's equal to 7. Therefore, our units digit or last digit is 7. Let's take 7 squared. That equals 49. The units digit here is 9. We have 7 cubed equals 343. Of course, the units digit here is 3. And then let's go a little bit further. Let's say 7 to the 4th power, or that is the next power. We're going to take 343 and multiply it by 7. Instead of multiplying these numbers all the way out, you can find the units digit here. The units digit in 343 is 3, because notice you're multiplying two separate numbers together. And the units digit in 7 is 7. All you have to do is focus on the units digit, really. So 3 times 7 is 21. What is the units digit in 21? It is 1. That means 7 raised to the 4th power has a units digit of 1. Let's go to 7 raised to the 5th power. That equals, we can take 2,401 times 7 equals, and notice that we're multiplying two individual numbers again together. Focus on the units digits. That's 1 in this case and 7. You multiply those out, of course, you get 7. That means 7 raised to the 5th power has a units digit of 7. Now, if you notice, this pattern repeats every 4 powers. Let me show you that here. 7, that's 7, 9, 3, and 1. Notice I did not write the 7 again because it repeats the pattern. So again, this tells us that 7, 9, 3, 1 repeats. It repeats every 4 powers. Now, since it repeats every 4 powers, we have to take 2025 and divide it by 4. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract 20. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 2 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. Bring down this 5. That's 25. 4 goes into 25 6 times. Minus 24. You have a remainder of 1. Now, the remainder of 1 means position 1 in the cycle. Position 1 in this cycle is 7. So that means we can answer the question, what is the units digit of 7 raised to the 2025th power? It is 7. And final answer. Well done here. This wraps up this set of problems. Nice focus on structure and patterns.